Do you also want to generate images in HD quality without load-in, without credit, and without watermark? That too, with unlimited and flex power. By typing Raphael.app in any of your browsers and searching, the Raphael AI website will open in front of you. You will find the link in the video's description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to the Raphael AI website. Now see, as we told you about this tool, you will find all of it right here on the homepage. That it is 100% free. With the Flex model, you can generate images from it. There's no need to sign up, and you can generate unlimited images here. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the images here that other users have generated from Raphael AI. Now, to generate our own image, we need to enter our prompt in this prompt box. So now, we will enter a prompt. And look, it doesn't just generate that image for you, but it generates your image according to your preference. Below, you will see many options for settings here. First, you can select the format for your image here, and you can select the style for your image from here. Here, you're given many styles that you can select according to your requirement. Right now, our prompt is for a realistic image, so we select photographic from here. The next option is colors. From here, you can select the color tone for your image. So then next is the lighting option. Here you can select the lighting for your image. So here we select some lighting. And from here, you can select the composition for your image. You also get many options in this light blurry background. Close up, right angle, narrow gap or field options are available. So from here, you can select these options according to your image requirement option. Right now, we select looks up from here. Select here, you also get the option for a negative prompt. Clicking on negative will open the negative prompt box. So here, you can enter the negative prompt. And if you don't want to apply any settings from your side, you can leave it as it is. You can only select the image format. Now, after applying all the settings, click on Generate to create your image. We will do it. So here below, our image has started generating, and it gives us 4 images at a time. It generates the image in about 20 seconds. So it has generated 4 images for us here. You can see how good the image quality is. Now to download the image, click on Download, and the image will be saved in our gallery. Now, we will generate a cartoon-style image here and see the quality it gives us. So, let's enter a prompt here and come to Settings to apply settings. Now, as we want to generate a photo in cartoon style, we select a 3D model from here. After applying the rest of the settings, we click on Generate. After waiting a bit, you can see how well the image is generated in cartoon style. Untate it pannit person buying date. Now, we will use the same prompt to generate an image in anime style. So, we enter the same prompt here, and this time, select Anime in Style. The rest of the settings are, you have to select according to your requirement from here. Click on Generate, wait a little, and now powerful images have been generated here in anime style. And you can see the images have been generated in very good quality in anime style. Now, to download An Mauda Astan in An Pa Pante Kentin. Click on Download to download your image. Now, look, there are many styles here. If we use all the styles here to generate images, the video will become very long. Let's just try one more style, line art. Here, you enter your prompt. Go to Style and select line art. Apply other settings according to your requirements as told. Click on Generate and wait a little. And we have also received images in line art. And you can see the quality of images generated in line art style. How amazing it is! In the same way, you can apply styles and settings according to your requirements to generate unlimited image or your project. Absolutely. So friends, we hope you liked this tutorial on generating unlimited and completely free images without a watermark. If the video was useful to you, please do like the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Also, press the bell icon so that you keep receiving notifications of all upcoming videos. For now, bye-bye and take care. See you in the next video with a new tool and a new tutorial.